Hey everyone, it's Caleb again. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. So with this video, this is a follow-up video to a previous video I made about um, how client users should interact with iSolved's timekeeping product. And in the first video, I covered working with the time card specifically. In this video, what I would like to cover is what the payroll process looks like. I think there's a number of things that are going to make this much more smooth as opposed to, generating an import file out of a separate system and going through all the steps involved with that, pulling that file in, um, you know, having the iSolved timekeeping product, one of the main benefits of that, I would say, is how it streamlines the payroll process. And so in this video, I'm going to briefly introduce you to what all is involved with that. And I think you'll actually find it's pretty quick and painless. And so we're at the starting page just after logging in. Currently, I'm logged in with my test client account. And we're going to go down to payroll processing. And then we're going to click into process payroll. And so just a quick note, don't be too concerned with these warnings here. Actually, as a matter of fact, from time to time you may see something like this come up. And with a warning, the key thing to keep in mind is, this is just the system's way of saying, hey, we've noticed this. We think this is something you should check out. It's not necessarily critical, but it's something that just needs to be brought to your attention. And so if you do see something like this, like especially this last one right here, definitely reach out to us here at EDP. But for the purposes of this video, what I really want to focus on is these four sections down here. This is what you're going to normally see right away. You're not going to see any sort of note up here. And so the process for working with payroll with iSolved Time is number one, we're going to lock the time cards. And so that just prevents any edits from being made while you're working on payroll. We definitely don't want something like that to happen. We want to prevent any changes from being made. And so the first thing to do is just to lock the time cards. The second step is to commit the time cards. And I would say this is analogous to importing a file. Now, obviously, the nice thing is it's just one button click now. We don't have to open up Windows Explorer and pick the file that we need. We can just hit that commit button. And you may see a couple of options here about ignoring warnings. I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And at this point, time cards are pulled in. And what we can do to verify that is to go over here to the left and click on payroll entry and then go to time entry totals. And we can see that, hey, 8 hours of bereavement, 30.87 hours of regular time. Don't be too concerned about this total right here. That's something I had in here previously. In fact, I'll just clear that out. But the point of this page is to show you that data from the time cards has in fact been pulled in. So I'm going to go back here. And then the rest of the process is really the same compared to when we were pulling in a file from Swipe Clock. Once everything looks good, you'd hit this preview button. This is exactly like pre-processing and the Evolution payroll system that we moved from. And then once you're ready to go, you hit submit, and that's that. Have a great day.